So this is a truck that I got from my dad. He is looking to sell a few things, so I went ahead and I picked this up. It is a 10.2 on a 10.2 chassis with some sort of Endura Jeep MJ Cherokee non-thing bed jazz. Anyway, it used to be his Class 0, I believe. It's linked front and rear and has AR-44s and everything. And then I bought some tires for it, which you will see here. I got these at the swap meet at K&K, I believe. We were trying to get rid of it, and I needed to buy something because the wheels that were on it were worth a little bit more than what he wanted to sell. So here you can kind of see the rear bumper and the body mount. It flips back and everything. It's not beat, but it is definitely used. Now we're moving on into the interior. You do see the old school Wraith seats, and then there's a nitrous bottle for going super fast, real fast. Twin stick and the gear shifter. My dad made a complete interior-ish, I guess. And then underneath you can see the AR-44s, the Endura drive shaft, SSD transmission, and the skid. You know, just normal stuff, little slider, and you can see the body mounts back there. Nothing too crazy. Does have a castle up front, and it had a Mamba Micro in it. Flipping the body up, you can kind of see the servo, you can see the Castle slate motor, and then you can see the custom quote-unquote body mounts I made for the front there, the SSD transmission transfer case. You can kind of see the shock mounts that I had to do. It's just a typical small little AR-44 truck. Got the micro on the other side with the BEC, and then the battery sits on the slider that is right here closest to the camera. Nothing too crazy, and it worked well, but I kind of wanted to do something else with it, so I got it, and now we are going to take it all apart. So here we go.